Suppose you're writing a database connector. It has a connect method which creates a connection to the database. And whenever you create an instance, it connects to the database using the connect method. Looks good enough, right? But there is one issue with it. Welcome to 1 Minute Python, and today I'm talking about singleton pattern and the new magic method in Python classes. So what's the issue? Whenever you create a new instance, you're creating a new connection. And if you create too many instances, you will create too many connections and you will start encountering the too many clients error in Postgres. This is because Postgres has a connection limit. Intuitively, you can already guess the solution. That is, whenever we create a new instance, we do not create a new connection, instead reuse it. Basically, we do not call the connect method whenever we are creating a new instance. To solve for this, we can use a singleton design pattern. It ensures that there is only one instance of class and that instance is globally accessible. Normally, when you create a class, you use the init method. This method initializes the instance and sets up the instance attributes. But there is also a new method which is responsible for creating the instance in memory. This is called before the init method. We can use it to implement singleton pattern. We create a class attribute and use it to track if the instance is already created or not. If the instance is not created, we create a new instance and assign it to the class attribute and then return the instance. Going back to our example of database connector, we create two class attributes and use those attributes to track whether the instance is already created or not. If the instance is not created, we create a new instance and we create a new connection by calling the connect method and then return the instance. So in this example, the first time I create an instance, the print statements inside new method will be printed. But the next time when I create the instance, only the print statements inside the init method will be printed. We can also use the is operator to confirm that both the instances are actually the same. One important thing to note when you are using the new method is it's important to pass args and cogs to the new method. If the init method expects any parameter, since the new method is called before init method, the parameters you pass while creating the instance will be passed to the new method first, and it should be able to accept those parameters. Also notice the order in which the print statements appears. This shows that the new method was called before the init method. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and do remember to subscribe.